Let him finish that one first, Sammy. We still haven't had any significant rain. It's been forecasted constantly. I don't want to talk about rain every time, but yeah, we are going through quite a serious drought in England. And the garden is definitely feeling it. Everything is dying. Yes?
How many eggs, Sammy? 3. 4 eggs. 1 is a white egg.
That was a good guess then. Oh, there's lots of flies.
There's no flies. Can I get the white egg? Ooh.
So yeah, not everything is making it because of the lack of rain. And I think I need to feed my tomatoes because I basically never have. Because they're not really like going for it. The cherry tomatoes are going for it, but the actual real tomatoes, they're growing slowly. The seeds that I planted in one of the sections haven't yet sprouted. Yeah. But yeah, still praying for rain, but it's not really forecast. The raspberries just look so sad. We've barely had any raspberries. We've had lots of blackberries, which have come really early. There's lots above me there. Don't know if you can see them like that. I'll show you in a moment, but there's loads of blackberries. But rain hasn't come, and it's just, yeah, it's tough. Poor raspberries just, yeah, burned away. Iodine the rabbit loves coming out every now and then. We always watch like a hawk. So now he's out. Boys, careful, don't scare him. Scare him. Yeah.
He just... You're so cute.
Don't scare him, he's getting scared. Yeah, he loves running around, and then he finds his way back to his own little space, but we're not letting him just roam because it's not really rabbit proof. I don't think it ever can be in a garden like this. Like, there's always ways that they can dig out. It is chicken proof, but not rabbit proof, so we are watching really carefully when Iodine is out. We're watching really carefully.
There you go.
He took it away.
Don't go to him, Sammy.
It's okay, you can sit down next to him whilst he eats and stroke him if you want.
Ow. Ow.
Just slowly, yeah. He's got pink eyes. Stroke him, Sammy.
Ow. What was that? Oh.
These are the little seedlings inside. I think I'm just going to add more compost to them just to raise it. I was recommended by a friend, and see how they do.
Shall we dry it up, please?
He loves that, doesn't he? Oh, stroke. Give him a little stroke. Oh. Yeah, he really loves it, doesn't it?
I'm a finger and he can't eat those.
Yeah, he likes it. Look.
He likes to.
Can you catch him? Not in the vegetable patch, Iodine. Don't pick it, boys. He likes it. He likes the rocket, doesn't he? Yeah, I don't mind.
Tamam Sami. Kırmızı olanlardan sadece, tamam? Tamam, yeter. Tamam, o yeter Sami. Buradan al biraz. Tamam onlar dursun Sami şimdi. Gel. Buradan al.
Yiyeceğim.
Tamam yiyebilirsin. O değil Sami dur. O biraz turuncu bak. Şunları al. Bak burada var.
Yummy. One more. One more. Put it in.
Tabağa verir misin?
Babanın çıkarttı.
Hı. Ye bir tane Sami. Yiyecek misin bir tane? Yok. Tabak orada, tabağa koyabilirsin.
Nice and yummy.
Tabağa koyabilirsin.
Baba. Sen bir
Tabağa koy, tabak orada bak. Tabak orada.
Heh.
Tamam onu at ağzına direkt.
Sen bunu yersin, ben seni çok
Güzel mi?
seviyorum.
Tamam yeter. Çok güzel. Hadi içeri girelim.
Ben yiyeceğim onu.
Tamam bir tane ye. Tamam yeter Sami. Yarın bir daha alırız tamam mı Sami?
Rose popped out. Smells amazing. Just been looking at the vegetable patch and I can see a courgette. I can see a courgette. Let's have a look. Oh my god. So we've obviously got French beans growing there. And then on all of these fruits, look, little courgettes are growing. That's amazing. I saw another one as well. Oh, here. Look. Little courgettes are growing. Isn't that amazing? And there's another little one growing there. There's so many. I don't know how big they go. I'm glad it's actually fruiting something then at least. It must be a really big courgette plant. And some rocket for Iodine. Rocket. We are just going to feed our plants with this liquid seaweed. I couldn't find any tomato feed, so hopefully this will do because there's tomatoes on the picture. And it says organic, so hopefully this can help boost the tomatoes and everything else in the vegetable patch. Just fed the plants with that feed, seaweed feed I think it was. So it's not like tomato feed specifically, but hopefully it helps the tomatoes. I think tomorrow, which will be in next week's vlog now, I will cut the top of the tomato plants just to stop them from growing anymore. But to be honest, they're not really growing that much. And hopefully just at least get a bunch of tomatoes out of these tomato plants. I probably won't plant them outside again in the future. This is probably last year we'll try and do that, but I feel good that finally there's some fruits growing on that monster plant in the vegetable patch. No rain, hopefully in the next vlog. Bye.